Okay, y'all, we back with the T-top. Got a lot of work to do today. I gotta basically drop my fuel tank so I can run my line properly. If you see, I got it running. The gas tank is in there and it's running to the car. Gotta do that. I gotta get underneath and tighten some stuff up because it's loose. It's looking crazy. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm so glad that I didn't do too much yesterday driving the car. Oh, and then I gotta switch my radiators. So got a lot of work to do today. So underneath the car, we got, you see these bolts right here sticking out. So our bell housing is real loose. We gotta go and tighten that up. And then we take it over here to the starter, real loose. So gotta tighten that up. So going back in with my work pro wrench, we're gonna go ahead and tighten the bolts up, and then we're gonna get to that starter. And if y'all asking why I'm not using this end, it was just too thick for me to get it around. So that's why I'm using this end. You see, it looks a lot better. It's in now. It wasn't in before. So you see, I move the camera over here. Gotta go in on this one, do the same thing. Y'all, and like I said, the starter was loose, and look at what I had to make to get to the top bolt. Long extension. But we got it done. Okay, now I'm back at the rear of the car. You see underneath our gas tank, I gotta take these bolts loose. Basically just, you know, the straps that hold it up. And what I thought was my brakes rubbing is really just the wheels rubbing because they too wide. So I gotta get some spacers to push them out a little bit so that way we don't rub. But for everybody who loves to say that my cars be rusted out underneath, y'all some haters. She don't look bad underneath at all. So let's go ahead and get this fuel tank down. So the gas tank's down. Had to get some assistance because it was working me. It was so hard to get down. And then it was full. So extra super heavy. But gotta get the old fuel pump out. So that's the next mission. And then we're gonna put our new fuel pump in, put her back up, and see if she's running. So this is the line that we're gonna use. You see it comes all the way down. We got the filter on the end. I got the little hose that we was using. You see I gotta clamp it on this line like this because that's what's gonna go back in our tank. And then this hose is gonna run all the way back up to the front of the car and connect to our carb, just like we did it in the Fox. So that's what we're about to do. Had to make a quick run to the auto store, of course. Got our Rotella. Got my wheel spacers. Ooh. Got my wheel spacers. And then we got our oil filter, of course. So gonna go ahead and do an oil change because, you know, always got to change your oil. And we're gonna go ahead and put the spacers on, so hopefully it stops making that rubbing noise. And I don't want my tires super wide, so if they stick out too much, I just don't want them to rub. So that's why I didn't get crazy spacers, but hopefully it's just enough that they don't. Okay, underneath the car, we're gonna drop this oil, and then we're gonna put our filter on, put in a new oil. Okay, while that's draining out, we're gonna go ahead and change our oil filter. Gotta get up in there. New filter. And go back underneath, put our bolt back in, put our new oil in. I hope y'all be checking y'all oil and doing y'all oil changes.